Hello everyone, I am Rajendra Muhare, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Today we are going to discuss on collision process and breakdown mechanism, and it is a part of high voltage engineering. So let us start now. In this topic we will discuss about the collision process and breakdown phenomena in different kinds of dielectric materials. A different type of materials may be solid, liquid or gases, but in this first we will discussing on the gas molecular processes and in its collision process. An electrical discharge is normally created from unionized gas by collision process. These processes are mainly gas processes which occur due to the collision between the charged particles and gas atom or molecule. These are the two types. First is called elastic collision. In elastic collision or collision which when occur no change take place in the internal energy of particles, but only their kinetic energy gets radiated. These types of collision do not occur in practice. When electron collides with gas molecules, a single electron traces a zigzag path during its travel. In elastic collision, in this collision are those in which internal change in energy takes place with an atom or a molecule at the expense of total kinetic energy of colliding particles. And this types of collision often results in a change in the structure of atom. That means structure of atom be changed. In this ionization process, a gas in its normal state is almost a perfect insulator. All gases, as we know, all the gases behave as a insulator. When a high voltage is applied between these two electrodes, which is immersed in gaseous medium, the gas becomes a conductor and electrical breakdown occur. And these types of ionization process can be categorized in three types: ionization by collision, photoionization, and secondary ionization. Let us discuss about ionization by collision. In this process of levitating up an electron from a gas molecule with the simultaneous production of positive ion is called ionization. In this process, free electrons collides with the neutral gas molecules and give rise to a new electron and a positive ion. If the energy gained during this travel between collision exceeds the ionization potential, which is the energy required to discharge, dislodge an electron from its atomic shell. In the photoionization, the phenomena associated with ionization by radiation or photoionization involves the interaction of radiation with matter. Photoionization occurs when the amount of radiation energy absorbed by an atom or molecule exceeds its ionization potential. These are several processes in which radiation can be absorbed by atom or molecular. Basically, these are the two types: excitation of the atom to a higher energy state and continuous absorption by direct excitation of the atom or dissociation of diatomic molecular or direct ionization. Thank you for this lecture.